How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I am good, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Ollie. What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Afghanistan. Where are you from?
I am from Kabul.
That's nice.
How old are you?
I am 19 years old. And you?
I am 20 years old.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What do you study?
I study English
Why do you study English?
because I like it.
That's good.
What do you study?
I study computer science.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it very much.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do in the morning?
I have breakfast and go to university.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
That sounds good.
What about you?
I drink tea and eat bread.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise in the evening.
That's healthy.
What is your favorite food?
I like rice and chicken.
Me too.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is pink.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV at night.
What do you watch?
I watch movies and news.
That's interesting.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media every day.
What do you do there?
I watch videos and learn English.
That's a good idea.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like reading
What
books.
kind of books do you read?
I read English storybooks.
That's great.
What is your hobby?
I like playing football.
How often do you play?
I play twice a week.
That's nice.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 sisters.
I have one brother.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family.
Me too.
What do you do on weekends?
I visit my friends.
That's fun.
What about you?
I stay at home and relax.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I like tea.
I like coffee.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling very much.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Turkey.
That's great.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Dubai.
That sounds exciting.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a software engineer.
I want to be an English teacher.
That's wonderful.
It was nice talking to you.
Yes, it was nice talking to you too.
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too.
What did you do yesterday?
I worked on my computer project.
Was it difficult?
A little, but I finished it.
Good job.
Thank you.
Did you watch any movie?
Yes, I watched a comedy movie.
Did you like it?
Yes, it was very funny.
What time did you sleep?
I slept at 11 p.m.
That's early.
Yes, I was tired.
Did you wake up early?
Yes, I woke up at 6 a.m.
That's good.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7 a.m.
Not bad.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had tea and bread.
I had eggs and milk.
That's healthy.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I have classes.
What time is your class?
At 10 a.m.?
Good luck.
Thank you.
Do you have homework?
Yes, I have some homework.
Is it difficult?
No, it is easy.
That's good.
What are your plans for today?
I will visit my friend.
That sounds nice.
Yes, we will drink tea together.
Enjoy your time.
Do you like meeting friends?
Yes, I love meeting friends.
Me too.
How often do you meet your friends?
Twice a week.
That's good.
Do you like going outside?
Yes, I like going to the park.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it is sunny.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I do.
I prefer cool weather
Why?
because it is comfortable.
That makes sense.
Do you have any new hobbies?
Yes, I started learning cooking.
That's interesting.
What about you?
I started reading English stories.
That's great for practice.
Yes, it helps me a lot.
Do you practice speaking every day?
Yes, I try to speak every day.
That's very good.
Practice makes perfect.
Yes, it does.
Do you want to practice together?
Yes, of course.
When are you free?
I am free on Friday.
Let's meet on Friday.
Where shall we meet?
Let's meet at the park
What time?
at 4 p.m.
That's perfect.
Great.
I am excited.
Me too.
We can practice English there.